Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Yes, miss.
For massage me, no.
Yes, madam.
Ah, yes.
Yes, you like that, miss? You like that?
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Yo, what going on, so? A little massage me, massager, bro.
You see me so busy to move, no, man?
Yo, Sean, come here. Let me talk to you one side. Come here, come here, come here. Me a forward, me a forward, me a forward. What going on, what going on? What going on?
You know me want her, bro. We a touch her for.
And she said she want massage, you know, bro.
Yo, don't touch her. I might crush that.
She a crush? Really, dog?
What?
Yo, she for the streets, you know, bro. Me not care about, man. She have 1,000 picnic for the village, you know, bad, man. You know, business, but yo, need a plan to take out the humans, them, bro. But we alone can't do it, bro. Don't worry, man. There's some contacts. Hold on there, hold on there. I walk out with them one time, man.
Yo.
Yo, Jeffrey, forward there now. Quick, forward there, Jeffrey. Forward, quick. Me a forward. Oh, them man I could have want, you know. Yo, what you say now? Yo, we are planning to take out the humans then, bro. Yo! Team, man. Him go with secret weapon. With distraction, you see me? So just zone out for no reason. Yeah, man, regular thing that fee, man. Regular day fee, man. Regular day. So what, Kazi? Yeah, man, I invent dengue fever and chicken gun here, you know. For real? Yeah, man, I invent here and test it and I mash him up. John, no. So we go bring him back. Yo, you come back here now.
Yo. Yes, what the game plan?
So one human kill Rufus and each our day we are going for revenge now. You see me I say? Wait, Rufus dead? Then I never know. You don't say boy they owe me 5 bills? Yo, is that? I don't say 5 bills that. Me have to dirty boy kill Rufus here. I chew not enough carry AIDS yet here. I chew me not enough carry AIDS yet. Watch your code, man. Watch your go on, man. Me go enough to transmit AIDS, hear that? Watch your code, man. Me go enough to transmit AIDS. I be a man you get AIDS. Watch your go on, man. No dog, you have to learn that, bro. Easy, bro. Easy. So where boy there? Alright, so I was come out at 5:30 at evening time, come sleep. So when you drop asleep, and this how we go attack, you see me? Okay, me see you pray. So now, see, I'm going to give me the dengue fever and chicken gun here. You know, I pray, man. So you go lay with him on after 5, you see me? Go and build back and then strike when him drop asleep. You see me? What the plan that? It's a good plan, man. Alright, you ready? Alright, come say chant here now. Together we rise, humans we despise. Let's go! Don't say man them ready? Yeah man, ready, believe. No say more shit. I'm gonna give a shit before a forward, bad man. Never know I'm not gonna want shit, bad man. Jesus Christ. No man want wash out, brother. No, you want wash out, brother, no. Whoa. Yo, see that guy forward there now. Yo, we are gone. You got shit, bad man. You got shit, dog. You really a shit now, bad man? Yeah, not with them man, brother. See man, as soon as sit there, we can't attack him, man, brother. Yo, Jeffrey, forward now. Yo, you have tally paper? I'm gonna find tally paper, idiot boy. Yo, Sean, you have? No, sir. Yo, forward here, man. Man, Franzino, dog. Like you dog asleep here now, you know. My son ready? Come in here, man. Alright, come in. Alright, Jeffrey, suck him quick. Yo, Jeffrey. Man, stuck again. Now what this man? Yo, Jeffrey, forward no. Yo, the human now wake up. Oh shit. Yo, Jeffrey, forward no, brother. Yo, I'm gonna kill them mosquito here, you know. Ah! Sean dead, no. We need to run. Yo, come here. Yo, wake up, brother. Also ready or not ready? So you go for him. Ready? Sean just dead. What? Look. No. Yes, sir, you go for him. Forward.
Come in.
Ah! Die. Ah, what a mosquito bite, man. Dead. Dead. We did it. Yeah, my dog. No boy.
We did it.
Kill the boy.
Let's go, boy. Dead.
Boy, dead, you. Bro, saya ketuk back door. What? Is that insect spray that? Run.